Number line. Numbers can be shown in a number line where the number 0 is taken as origin. Positive numbers are usually placed on the right of origin, while negative numbers are on its left, as shown in the figure on screen. It is evident that the value of numbers increases from left to right in the number axis. We use arrows to represent any increase or decrease of a number in the number line. For example, when the number 2 increases by 5 units, we can express this event in the number line as shown on screen. As a result, the new number obtained is 7 because 2 plus 5 equals 7. On the other hand, when the same number decreases by 8 units, we obtain the following. Negative numbers are very important. They allow us to express quantities that are smaller than 0. For example, if the outside temperature in a cold winter day is 5 Celsius degrees below 0, we write T equals -5 degrees Celsius. Likewise, if a given location is below sea level, we take its altitude as negative. For example, instead of saying the Dead Sea as the lowest place on Earth is 1360 feet below sea level, we simply say the altitude of the Dead Sea is -1360 feet. That is all for lesson 1.2.2, and the end of tutorial 1.2. To continue chapter 1, please watch 1.3, Introduction to Operations with Numbers and Properties of Operations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.